Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita. So in this video I'm going to review and share with you a demo of these two products from Saint Botanica. The first one is this Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask, and the second one is this Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Night Cream. Both these products are paraben, silicone, mineral oil and sulfate free, and they are also not tested on animals. So let's talk about the peel off mask first. So this is the Saint Botanica Robusta Coffee Peel Off Mask with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. It comes in this tube packaging and this is the outer cardboard box. This contains 100 grams of product and costs rupees 499. This is also suitable for all skin types. I love coffee, so this is the perfect product for me to try out. So the peel off mask is infused with caffeine and antioxidant rich coffee seed powder. This one is supposed to deeply detoxify your skin and help remove impurities from clogged pores. This should also assist in removing blackheads and whiteheads from your skin without disrupting its natural moisture balance. Now let's quickly see a demo of this product. You need to spread the peel off mask evenly on your clean and dry face. Avoid the area around the eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries completely. This mask also contains Multani Mitti, which is a natural source of minerals and a natural skin purifying agent. It exfoliates, cleanses and nourishes the skin. Caffeine helps in reducing the UV ray induced damage and improves microcirculation in the skin. It also firms the skin and enhances skin luminosity. After the mask dries up completely, gently peel it off, starting from the sides of the face. Niacinamide and vitamin E work to preserve the moisture barrier of the skin. Aloe vera soothes the skin. Lemon peel and licorice extracts helps reduce blemishes. You can see the instant glow on my face. My skin feels soft and cleansed from within. It also got rid of some of my blackheads. You can follow this up with a toner and moisturizer. Since this is a peel off mask, you do not need to use this regularly. You can use this before any special occasion for an instant glow and radiance. This product has a very strong coffee fragrance. So if you do not like the smell of coffee, you will not like it. Also, if you have super sensitive skin, this might irritate you. So please do a patch test before using any new product. So overall, this is a good product. You can use this before any special occasion for a cleansed, glowy and radiant skin. Now let's talk about the night cream. So this is the Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Night Cream by Saint Botanica. This contains 50 grams of product for $11.99. This is the outer cardboard box and the actual product comes in a tub like this. The tub feels really luxurious and it comes with a protective cap inside. So any product that contains vitamin C should be used at night, or else you just need to apply a thick layer of sunscreen over it. Otherwise you will just not see the desired results. So it's good that this is a vitamin C night cream. So vitamin C rich in antioxidants helps in reducing dullness, keeps skin looking younger and also adds radiance to the skin over time. You can use this product at night after cleansing and toning your face. This also contains hyaluronic acid, which has moisture binding capacities that boost skin cells moisture from deep within to give you a plumper looking skin. This night cream also contains a ton of different oils like sweet almond, extra virgin olive oil and Moroccan argan oil. This also contains shea butter, which promotes cell rejuvenation. Even though this contains so many moisturizing agents, the cream does not feel oily or greasy. It's got a beautiful texture. I have oily skin and I can use this comfortably on my face. If you have dry skin, you can use a little more of the product. This also contains green tea, moringa and aloe vera extracts that naturally protect, soothes and leaves you with youthfully radiant skin. All these good ingredients works on your skin all night to give you soft, supple and radiant skin in the morning. If you're looking for a night cream that's moisturizing yet not oily and greasy, then you can definitely give this a try. I'll provide the purchase links for both the products in the description box. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will have my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.